media. Yes, man.
Whoa. What's poppin'? What's going on? First and foremost, this video is sponsored by Leap. It's a Jamaican urban clothing brand. Boom! Instagram page. Shirts, jacket, pants, blouse, male or female. Go check them out. Them have something for you. Buy a shirt or 10 if you can. And if you can't do that, you can follow them on the Instagram. I will put the link in the description. And when you drop your comments in the comment section saying which part of the video you like the most, hashtag Leap, go and support them. We're leaping out here. Support them because they are a Jamaican brand, and also support them because they are supporting your boy. You can do that for me? Alright, thanks here. Thanks, man. Let's go! I was going to intro this video, but I'm just going to play it first. Then we talk. You probably were thinking like I was thinking when I just saw it. Him nasty if you eat out of him shoe, right? But being the person that I am, I like to understand things. So I'm gonna do some research. I'm gonna get a little backstory. Come to find out, these shoes are Jordan Cause. Some type of special edition shoes. They cost $350 US dollars. Bruh. Man, they can't lick a smell inside. That's a lot of money in US dollars, and even more money in a Jamaican dollars. $44,840 to be exact. You know how much rice and corned beef that? You know what I mean? Say the corned beef band lift, but you know, say the relationship now gonna be the same, right? For me and corned beef relationship, it timid there now. I mean, I go through a rough patch. Now that the band lift, when we link up somewhere in the back of my mind, I go there pre-say, or really they in the corned beef. I go find Beetlejuice toenail. I go find the Grinch beard here tonight. What day in my corned beef? So a relationship, it's flimsy. But we work it out. Now I see why they call them cars. Cause they cost too damn much. Whenever I start paying so much for damn shoes, they cannot be just shoes. I should be able to use it to serve the internet, cook a pot of soup, and the next foot boil some Cersei. Use it play cricket, use it as a condom, boots, and in case of an apocalypse, it must have a survival kit compartment. Can you believe that they even have shoes that cost 1,500 American dollars? You know how much money that in a Jamaica? When you buy expensive shoes, this is how you handle the regret that comes with it. Did I just spend $350 US on a pair of shoes that cost $25 US to me? Somebody slap me. Alright, you slap me too hard, hold back the slap then. Now this appears to be some sort of soldier training camp. Is this how soldiers train? Guessing it's like an intro to being a soldier class 101. Listen up, you scallywags. In this job you will be slapping a lot of criminals. But in order for you to slap, ye must first be slapped. Over and over again. Curious part of my brain can't help but wonder, when a time for them demonstrate how bullet wounds hurt, what them do? Some people are strong enough to withstand thunderous slaps, whilst others, them and their emotions, are easily broken by the semantics of what we humans consider to be bad words.
Mom, do you think hell is a curse word?
No, it can be used that way.
Why the hell didn't you tell me that?
So why did you just do that to me?
What the hell are you talking about?
Why does she keep cursing me?
What the hell?
Okay, kid, that's not funny. You used that word 3 times in a row.
You cursed me 3 times.
Hell? If that lady ain't gonna sit the hell down, you see, you must not have. I understand where this woman is coming from. The word hell makes her feel some sort of way. No, for real, man, I understand. Her emotions and words explain exactly how I feel when we go at a shoe store and them tell me certain price. How much for this?
You can't afford it.
So why did you just do that to me?
My girl, you know, say I rank go. I got my dirty money. I say, how much for this?
500.
My girl, a 500 Jamaican dollar you can talk about man can't afford. You must lick your... Yo, well,
500
How much?
500 US dollars. I'm sure you still can afford it.
Wanna sell ice mint?
What the hell are you talking about?
Why she keep cursing me?
What the hell?
Okay, kid, that's not funny. You use that word 3 times in a row.
Cursed me 3 times.
We have been coexisting with animals for quite some time now. We have taken them and made them our pets. We use them for our amusement. But somewhere in the back of my mind, I know they are planning one of them nanny of the Maroons, Paul Boga, Sam Sharp type rebellion. It a come. Monkeys will be leading the charge. Did I mention that they will be leading the charge with a fistful of poop? You get slapped in the face with some monkey doodle when you're young, you will grow it out, people will forget about that. But when you get slapped in the face with some monkey doodle at the age that grandma probably is, you have to take that as a sign. That is life telling you that you're 10 it done. Alright? A time for you to come home. Look on that woman her face. Her expression says it all. Not trust no animal. They out here strategize for we. In the words of the great dancehall philosopher Alkalinese, among me are some dogs, a scarce group who would willingly part ways with their lives for me. You cannot tell me that this was not an orchestrated criminal maneuver. Imagine the Jamaican police them giving a breakdown of the situation. Ladies and gentlemen of the public, I am here today to dispel rumors that all dogs go to heaven. They are nothing but criminal gangs who scavenge at and also guard the gates to hell. What we see here are somewhat smart tactics being used by the criminal dogs of the paw print gang. Right here you can see the big dog sits with his back turned, and they know we as humans, we cannot resist kicking a dog with his back turned. Now this gentleman here, unfortunately, he fell for the bait. He kicked and missed. Seconds after missing, we see the furry face, long mouth, cold nose attackers rush in to carry out their primitive wolf instinct attack on the victim. The attack pack consists of Scooby-Doo, aka Scooby-Doops, Lassie, otherwise called Cut Lassie, Rin Tin Tin, otherwise called Burn Skin, and the man himself, Blues Clues, aka Paw Print. These dogs are known to frequent your garbage bin and street dances. I must, however, say this: do not attempt to challenge these dogs, as they are very dangerous. However, if you do spot any of them, we are imploring that you call 1-800 Zung Dong Ling Li, or your nearest Chinese restaurant. Look how we treat that good. Look how we treat that good. That good, and them a run second in command to the damn monkey them. That is it for this video, and a big old thanks to this video's sponsor, Leap. Follow them on the gram, show them some love for showing me some love. And remember, drop your comments in the comment section with your favorite part of the video with the hashtag Leap. And something else happened throughout this video. Can you pick it up? Drop the comment below, put hashtag Leap. See if I did pay close attention to what took place. Thank you guys for sending in your video selections. Keep sending in your video selections. Remember to turn on the post notification. This is Kevin Too Crazy. You think it, you believe it, and you live to achieve it.